Alright, so I'm just going to add this to my video because I need another video. This is outside Florida man shower from start to finish, under 3 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, I need my water. Shit. Oh. Oh, no, shit. Alright. Got everything in order. Herbal essences. Razors. Towel. Alright. Bam. Little crystal geyser. Preheated. Ow, son. Alright. Get a little poo. Rose petal. No, nothing but the best. Alright, got the rose petal. Rose petal on the pits. Hope y'all are doing alright. Little crystal geyser. Rinse. Alright. Damn. Conditioner now. Bam. Alright. Let that marinate. It's in my eye. Shaving cream. Ow, how much time? Oh, it's in my eye. Poison eye. Oh, man. It's gonna be close. I'm gonna miss some spots. Right? Alright, back up one. Rinse mode. That's all she wrote.